Changing your car's oil might seem simple, but are you sure you're doing it correctly? Let's go over some common mistakes people make during an oil change and how to avoid them. The first mistake is not pre-filling the new oil filter. When replacing the oil filter, always add some oil to it first. This minimizes the time your engine runs without proper oil pressure, protecting its components from unnecessary wear and tear. It's a small step that can make a big difference. Second mistake is skipping the warm-up. Never drain cold oil. When oil is cold, it thickens and drains slowly, leaving behind residue. By warming up your engine to its normal operating temperature, you ensure the oil flows out smoothly, removing impurities more effectively. Third mistake is forgetting to lubricate the filter gasket. Always lubricate the gasket on the new oil filter. Without lubrication, friction can tear the gasket as you screw it on, causing leaks. A light coating of oil prevents this and ensures a proper seal. The fourth mistake is overfilling the engine with oil. Too much oil can create excessive pressure in the crankcase, potentially causing leaks. Overfilling can also lead to oil foaming, which reduces its ability to lubricate engine parts effectively. Always stick to the manufacturer's recommended oil level. The fifth mistake is adding too little oil. On the flip side, not adding enough oil can leave engine components under-lubricated, increasing friction and wear. Use the dipstick to double-check and ensure you're adding the correct amount. The last mistake is over-tightening the oil filter. When installing a new oil filter, hand-tighten it, no tools needed. A good rule of thumb is to tighten it about a turn once the gasket contacts the engine. Over-tightening makes the filter difficult to remove during your next oil change and can damage the gasket. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll keep your engine running smoothly and extend its lifespan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one. Happy driving!